And now let your body grow soft and heavy where it rests. Allow your shoulders to ease downward. Let your arms find comfort here beside your body. Your breath is the potter's wheel, slow and steady and strong. Inhale, bringing calm within. Exhale, letting go of all the day's weight. Again, breathe in peace and breathe out tension. Now our story this evening begins at the edge of a medieval village. Just as dusk has folded across the sky, the last light fades to blue and lanterns flicker awake along the cobbled lane. A soft wind carries the scent of damp earth and distant river water. Everything slows, everything hushes. You follow the lane to a timber bird workshop with its door left open, welcoming. Inside, shelves glow with finished pottery, bowls, jugs, and plates, the color of clay and sun-baked stone. A small fire whispers in the hearth, and its light dances warmly on the walls. In the center stands the potter's wheel, patient and still. The potter, an old friend, greets you with kind eyes and invites you to sit. You settle onto a low stool, and the room feels safe, unhurried, timeless. A cool mound of clay is placed at the wheel's center. Beside it rests a shallow bowl of water, ready to soften the touch. The wheel begins to turn, slow, steady, rhythmic. Whir, whir. Each circle carries you deeper into calm, as though the wheel is spinning away your thoughts. The potter's hands dip in water and press gently to the clay. You hear the faint kiss of water against earth. The clay opens under their touch, stretching upward, smoothing, curving. In the corner, a brazier dries earlier pieces, and every now and then there's a tiny crackle, like a distant twig under a careful foot. Outside, the breeze turns the leaves again, and their answer is a soft green murmur. Everything cooperates to keep you peaceful, the wheel turning, the hearth humming, the night leaning close. The potter shapes a wide bowl. The rim rounds perfectly, and you feel your chest expand in kindness. With each turn, you feel lighter, calmer, more deeply at rest. Next comes a slender jug, its walls drawn upward with care. The jug lengthens like a tall note in a lullaby, and your thoughts stretch into gentle silence. The clay gleams under a smoothing hand, water shimmering on its surface. Two vessels now rest side by side, a bowl and a jug, like inhale and exhale, balanced, complete. The potter presses a quiet thumbprint under each rim, a secret blessing of steadiness. You feel that same steadiness beneath your own heart. The wheel slows, the lanterns dim. Outside, the village sleeps beneath silver moonlight. The river hums its lullaby. The night leans close, calm and protective. Let yourself drift with the rhythm of the wheel, gentle, certain, safe. When sleep comes, allow it to shape you tenderly, as clay is shaped upon the potter's evening wheel. Turning, turning, slowing. The breath deepens, the eyelids grow heavy. Rest now. Here at the wheel, here in the turning, here in the quiet strength of the night, you are held. You are home.